The logarithm change of base formula. A and B are positive reals where A isn't 1 and B isn't 1. Then for any positive real number x, log base bx equals log base ax divided by log base a, b. The easiest way to think about this, if you have log base bx, ln x divided by ln b, b is the base, is the easiest way to remember the change of base formula. So I'm going to show you log base bx equals ln x divided by ln b. From the definition of logarithms, b to the y equals x is equivalent to log bx equals y. So if I take this left side of the equation, I'm going to take the natural log of both sides, then I'm going to use the power property, and I'm going to divide both sides by ln b. So that gives me y equals ln x divided by ln b, but remember y is equal to log base b x, so that equals ln x divided by ln b. In the example, we want to estimate log base 3, 123, to 4 decimal places. We're going to use the change of base formula using base 10, we're going to use the change of base formula using base e, and then we're going to check each result using the related exponential form. Now, on this more advanced calculator, alpha window will allow me to choose number 5, and then I can put in 3 for the base of the logarithm and 123 for the argument of the logarithm. And there we see log base 3 with an argument of 123 is approximately 4.3802 when I round it to 2 decimal places. Remember, log base 3, 123 equals log 123 over log 3. So that's log 123 divided by log 3. The base is in the bottom, and I get exactly 4.3802. And for part 2, I'm going to use base e. So log base 3, 123 equals ln 123 divided by the natural log of 3. 3 is the base, it's in the bottom. And again, we get approximately 4.3802. Now we're going to check the result with the related exponential form. So that would mean 3 to the power 4.3802. We expect that to be approximately 123. 3 to the power 4.3802 is pretty close to 123. If I had more decimal places, I'd get closer to it yet, to 123. In this problem, we want to graph log base 3x. Now, on my newer calculator, it's just not a problem. Alpha window, I can choose number 5, log base 3x. But of course, I could use the change of base formula, ln x divided by ln 3. So I'm going to put that in y2, and we'll hit zoom 6. Notice it'll first graph log base 3x, and then it'll graph the change of base formula in the red. So first the blue, then the red, and you can see they're exactly the same graph. Now, if you have an older calculator, you do not have a choice. You have to use the change of base formula. So y equals, it doesn't do alpha window. So I'm going to go to y equals, and I have to use the change of base formula, ln x divided by ln 3, and zoom 6 will work the same on this TI-83. It doesn't look as pretty, but it still works.